How to raise your credit score as fast as possible without costly myths. Hey, everyone! Today, we are answering one of the most common financial questions in America. How can you improve your credit score as quickly as possible? A stronger credit profile may help you qualify for better credit cards. Lower interest rates, higher limits, an auto loan, a mortgage, or a rental home. But there is no legitimate trick that can guarantee a huge increase overnight. Your score changes when the information in your credit reports changes. The fastest responsible strategy is to find what is holding you back. Correct the problems you can control, and avoid creating new damage. In the United States, FICO is the best-known scoring system. Although lenders may also use VantageScore's specialized scores, most base scores range from 300 to 850. A higher score generally signals lower risk, but lenders also consider other financial information. Let us begin with the most important factor, payment history. Under the standard FICO breakdown, payment history represents about 35% of your score. The foundation of good credit is simple: pay every account on time, every time. Set automatic payment for at least the minimum due. Then pay the remaining statement balance seasonally. Add reminders before each due date, including for cards you rarely use. If you are behind, focus first on bringing the account current and keeping it current. One good month will not erase serious late payments, but every new on-time payment helps create a better pattern. The second major factor is the amount often you use, especially credit card utilization. Utilization is the percentage of available revolving credit reported as a balance. If your total card limits equal $10,000 and your reported balances equal $3,000, your utilization is 30%. Staying below 30% is a useful guideline, but it is not an ideal target. Lower utilization is generally better, especially before an important application. Watch each individual card too. Maxing out one card can still look risky even when other cards show zero balances. Statement timing also matters. Card issuers commonly report account information around the end of the billing cycle. That means your statement balance may reach the credit bureaus before the payment due date. You could pay in full by the due date and still temporarily show high utilization. If you are preparing to apply for a mortgage, apartment, auto loan, or credit card, consider paying part of the balance before the statement closes. Then pay the full statement balance by the due date to avoid interest when a grace period applies. But do not carry debt just to build credit. You do not need to pay interest, and carrying a balance does not prove that you are a better borrower. Responsible use and on-time payment are what matter. The third factor is the length of your credit history. Older accounts can show experiencing credit. Think carefully before closing an old card with no annual fee, because closing it may reduce available credit and raise utilization. However, if a card has an expensive fee or encourages overspending, closing it may still be the better decision. Your credit score should support your finances. You should not damage your finances merely to protect a few points. The fourth factor is new credit. A formal loan or credit card application may create a hard inquiry. One inquiry usually has a limited effect, but several applications in a short period can lower your score. Do not submit random applications just to see who approves you. Review the lender's requirements, use a prequalification when it relies on a soft inquiry, and apply only when the product fits your needs. Rate shopping is different. Scoring systems may group several inquiries for the same type of mortgage, auto loan, or student loan within a limited shopping window. This lets consumers compare offers without every quote being treated as a separate borrowing decision. Keep your search focused and complete it within a short period. The fifth factor is credit mix. FICO may consider whether you have experience with revolving accounts, such as cards, and installment accounts, such as auto, student, personal, or mortgage loans. But credit mix is a relatively small part of the score. Never take out an unnecessary loan and pay interest merely to create variety. The same principle applies to paying a FAN installment loan. Your score may change when the account closes, but you should not keep expensive debt to live just to protect a number. Saving interest and improving cash flow may be more valuable. What if you have little or no credit history? A secured credit card may help. You provide a refundable deposit that usually determines the limit. Use it for 1 or 2 small purchases. Keep the balance low and pay on time. Before opening it, confirm that the Assure reports to Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. A credit builder loan from a legitimate bank or credit union may be another option. The money is usually held in savings until you complete the payments. Compare fees carefully. You should also examine your credit reports for errors. An account that is not yours, a payment incorrectly marked late, a duplicated debt, or outdated balance can hurt your profile. You can obtain reports from all 3 nationwide bureaus through Annual Credit Report, the federally authorized website. If you find inaccurate information, dispute it directly with both the bureau and the company that supplied the data. You do not need to pay a credit repair company to exercise that right. So, how quickly can your score improve? There is no universal answer. If high utilization is the main problem, paying balances down may help. After the lower amounts are reported, sometimes during the next reporting cycle. If the problem is missed payments, collections, or a short history, rebuilding can take much longer. Accurate negative payment information may remain on a report for years. Here is the action plan. Review all 3 credit reports. Bring every account current. Activate automatic minimum payments. Reduce balances, beginning with cards closest to their limits. Pay statement balances in full whenever possible. Avoid unnecessary applications. Keep older no-fee accounts open when doing so is safe. Then check your reports again after lenders update the information. The fastest way to build credit is not to move money in circles. Repeatedly borrow from a cash advance account or search for a loophole. It is to create a boring, consistent record. Low balances, on-time payments, qualification accounts, and enough time for the system to recognize your behavior. Which part of your credit profile is giving you the most trouble? Late payments, high balances, too many inquiries, or limited credit history? Share your answer in the comments and subscribe for clear, practical guidance about credit, debt, banking, insurance, and personal finance in the United States. This video is for general education and isn't individualized financial, legal, or credit advice.